Hi, you can watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. The BMW i8 concept plug-in hybrid electric vehicle includes an electric motor located in the front axle powering the front wheels, rated 96 kilowatts, 131 PS, 129 horsepower, and 250 Nm, 184 pound-feet. A turbocharged 1.5-litre three-cylinder gasoline engine driving rear wheels, rated 164 kilowatts, 223 PS, 220 horsepower, and 300 Nm, 221 pound-feet of torque, with combined output of 260 kilowatts, 354 PS. 349 horsepower, and 550 Nm, 406 pound-feet, a 7.2 kWh, 26 MJ lithium-ion battery pack that allows an all-electric range of 35 km, 22 miles. All four wheels provide regenerative braking. The location of the battery pack in the energy tunnel gives the vehicle a low center of gravity, enhancing its dynamics. Its top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h, 155 miles per hour, and is expected to go from 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 60 miles per hour, in 4.6 seconds. Under normal driving conditions, the i8 is expected to deliver 80 mpg US 2.9 L, 100 km, 96 mpg under the European cycle. A full charge of the battery will take less than 2 hours using 220 V. The positioning of the motor and engine over the axles results in optimum 50-50 weight distribution. The vehicle was unveiled at the 2011 International Motor Show Germany, followed by Center 548 in New York City, 42nd Tokyo Motor Show 2011, 82nd Geneva Motor Show 2012, BMW i-Born Electric Tour at the Palazzo dell'Esposizione at Via Nazionale 194 in Rome. Auto Shanghai 2013. This concept car was featured in the film Mission: Impossible – Ghost Protocol. You can watch more videos, please subscribe my channel.